Allison Docs, the most powerful diagnostic tool for Allison Transmission today. Allison Doc, the most powerful diagnostic tool for Allison Transmission today. In the world of heavy-duty trucks, buses, construction equipment, and special-purpose vehicles, automatic transmissions from Allison Transmission are known for their durability, performance, and advanced electronic control systems. However, when it comes to maintenance, troubleshooting, calibration, and programming, having the right diagnostic software is absolutely critical. This is where Allison Doc stands out as a professional and comprehensive solution. Allison Doc is the official diagnostic software developed specifically for Allison Transmission automatic gearboxes. Unlike generic diagnostic tools, this software is engineered to communicate directly and accurately with the transmission control modules used in Allison systems. That means technicians can access full system data, not just basic fault codes. This level of depth makes a significant difference in real workshop conditions. One of the most important strengths of Allison Doc is its ability to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes with detailed explanations. Instead of showing vague or incomplete information, the software provides clear descriptions of each fault, including possible causes and system conditions at the time the issue occurred. This helps technicians save time and reduce guesswork during troubleshooting. Another major advantage is real-time data monitoring. Allison Doc allows users to observe live parameters such as clutch pressure, turbine speed, output speed, oil temperature, gear selection status, and many other critical transmission values. By analyzing this data in real time, technicians can accurately determine whether a problem is mechanical, hydraulic, or electronic in nature. The software also supports advanced functions such as calibration updates, configuration changes, and control module programming. In many cases, after replacing components or performing repairs, recalibration is required to ensure optimal transmission performance. With Allison Doc, these procedures can be completed according to manufacturer's standards, helping maintain reliability and safety. For professional workshops, efficiency is essential. Allison Doc provides a user-friendly interface designed for clear navigation and structured workflow. Even complex procedures are organized step by step, making it easier for technicians to perform diagnostics without confusion. This structured approach is especially important when working on high-value commercial vehicles where downtime directly impacts business operations. Compatibility is another key factor. Allison Doc supports a wide range of Allison transmission models used in on-highway and off-highway applications. This makes it a versatile investment for workshops that handle different types of heavy equipment and commercial vehicles. When evaluating whether Allison Doc is the most powerful diagnostic tool for Allison Transmission today, the answer largely depends on the level of access and precision required. For basic scanning, generic tools may provide limited information. However, for complete system diagnostics, detailed parameter monitoring, advanced calibration, and professional-level programming, Allison Doc clearly delivers a superior solution. In conclusion, Allison Doc is not just a fault code reader. It is a comprehensive diagnostic and service platform designed specifically for Allison transmission systems. For workshops that want accuracy, reliability, and full control over transmission diagnostics and programming, Allison Doc represents one of the most powerful and specialized tools available today.